Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Tech Tips for Everybody. This is a tutorial on how to make end credits, scrolling credits on WeVideo, and this is a site called WeVideo. I showed you how to do this on a phone or a mobile device with different videos. Check those out if you haven't watched them already, but this is a video on how to do them on a computer, which in my opinion is a lot easier and you can just do more with it, and this is one of my favorite video editing softwares. So here we are in WeVideo. The first thing you're going to do to make end credits, scrolling credits, is you're going to go to backgrounds, and this is the background that the scrolling credits will be in front of. So my favorite are when you go to the background section, because they actually move. If you click on one of them, you can watch them, and they actually do move, and they're cool. If you want a solid color, you can pick one of these colors, and then you can also upload your own. I'm just gonna take one of these. I like the blue stripes. We're gonna move it to video 1, and there you go. Then you're gonna go to text. This is the most important part of it. You're gonna go to static. You're gonna drag end credits on top on video 2. You can edit this and say text if you want, if that makes you feel better. And you go here, double click, and here you are editing your text. And so right now you just fill all this out. Let's say the person's name is Mary that directed it. Let's say the person that produced it, his name is John. Say actor 1 was Lucy, and actor 2 was Jeff. Okay, these are completely random. Let's make it a little bigger. You can just scroll size up here, and you can't really see that very well. So we're going to make it black instead of white. Then you're going to go over here to the animations part. This is the part that will make it scrolling and make it look really professional. You're going to click on it here. You're going to click the start button, and pretty much you want to make it start right here so that it actually does scroll. So you're going to start at the very bottom, and then you're going to go to end. Then you're going to have that go to the very top. And again, this is all to make it scroll in the end. You're going to go back to start. You see the X and Y axis. You're going to see the X one is 228. Then you're going to go back to end, and you're going to switch it to 228. And this is going to make it scroll evenly instead of just going back and forth. Then you're going to trim down the background setting. The longer your blocks are, that means the slower it's going to scroll. So for example, if I wanted to scroll really fast or pretty fast, I'm going to make them smaller. And you can see in the top corner, if I press the space bar, that it will scroll like that. If I want to make it scroll even faster, I can just move them down like this. And then look at the top right corner, it will scroll very fast. And then if I want it to scroll slowly, then I can make it longer like this. That does scroll pretty slowly, so I'm not gonna watch that because that just does scroll very slowly. Okay, so that is a very quick tutorial on how to make scrolling credits in WeVideo. This is a great software. I highly suggest you guys checking it out. There are different upgrades to it. I have the free version here, and then on a different account I have a paid version. But this is a great software. I highly recommend it for people even starting out with video editing and have done it for a while. It's just really great. You could do a lot with it, and it's cool. So if you like this video, please comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll make sure to really check those out. Please, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.